Replacing the battery in your Mercedes key fob is usually straightforward, especially with the open case design. Most Mercedes models since 2010 use this user-friendly system. You'll typically need a CR 2025 or CR 2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, which are known for their long shelf life. To begin, locate the small seam or tab on your fob. Gently pry it open. A small flat screwdriver or coin might help if it's stubborn. Once open, the battery compartment is exposed. Pop out the old battery, noting the correct polarity plus side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation and snap the case back together. Always test the fob afterward by locking and unlocking your vehicle. A key tip: source batteries from authorized dealers to avoid counterfeits that shorten battery life. Also, be careful not to force the case open, as this can cause damage. Current trends show a move towards eco-friendly practices, with Mercedes promoting battery recycling. Keep an eye on your Mercedes Me app for software updates that can optimize battery usage. Looking ahead to 2030, expect to see hybrid or rechargeable key fobs, possibly with solar panels or wireless charging. Mercedes is even exploring AI-driven diagnostics to predict battery failure, but for now, disposable CR batteries will persist for budget models.